Hey, yo, what's that in two-turn game? Alright, so this reaction video, it's kind of on the dumb but funny side, you feel me? Hey, so I'm guessing these are people's at a car meet, and this non-driver hit a wide body Hellcat. Hey, so for one, I don't do big crowds and stuff like that. I be getting paranoid and like, you know what I'm saying, just cause stuff I've seen in big crowds. But I feel like if you at a car show, a little car meet, car show, whatever y'all want to call it, and you're not a driver, bro, don't get out there trying to show out and show off your vehicle, bro. Cause like, stuff can go left with these. People don't play about their car, then it's a Hellcat. The Hellcats ain't cheap, you feel me? I hope Buddy had insurance, that's all I'm gonna say. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so it was the black car that hit the Hellcat. This video been floating around all on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, like everywhere, bro. Check it out. Then he in a Nissan, bro. I think that ain't this a Nissan? Sorry, I don't know. Yeah, it's a Nissan. Pause. Hey, so this at the beginning of this part before he hit the car, bro, it look like he don't know what he doing anyway. He just out there trying to be seen, bro. Being seen always a bad thing to do. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's crazy. Look how close he is to that car. Hey, hold on. Hey, so it looked like you got people walking out telling him like, hey, bro, chill out. You know what I'm saying? You can't control it. Like, get out of there. But once, I guess he got to be seen, bro. See, look at him. Look like they telling him, chill out, get out. Yeah, I'm gonna hit that car. There 2 cars y'all gonna hit. That's crazy.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Hey, I'm getting this the owner. Pause. Hey, bro, see, that's what I'm saying. Like, these car show, car meet, like, they could have went there so quick, but look how they ran up on him. And as you can see, they already got the gun clutching on the fire. And so that stuff could have went left, bro. But easily could have got killed behind the car. Like, you know what I'm saying? Hate to say it, this is what happens when you try to show out, want to be seen, and always want to be seen on the site. You know what I'm saying? On site and stuff. That's crazy. Hey, Paul. Hey, but I ain't gonna stunt for being me type person, bro. Y'all not finna run up on me like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I hit your car, whoops, my bad. You know what I'm saying? I got insurance. That what the insurance for, bro. But you ain't finna, you know what I'm saying, check me or try to handle me like that. Hey, I bet Buddy was scared, all them guns around him. Man, they took Buddy out his car and everything. Took his keys? What? Y'all tripping.
Y'all watch out. Yeah, well, I didn't say it, but yeah, I'm about to grab. Well, I ain't gonna lie.
It's crazy. Then the car, like the Hellcat really didn't get much damage on it for real, like the way he reacted to it.
Delicious.
Hey. Hold on, y'all. Okay, there you go. Hey, so pause. This man told him to get his car back. His homeboy was saying 3 bands. Buddy, who's the owner, I guess, talking about some 10. My guy, if you late on your payment, that's on you. But I guess they just seen an easy little target, you know what I'm saying, that took advantage of it. But like I said, me being me, bro, y'all ain't finna handle me. We can handle it, you know what I'm saying? Like, we call the insurance company and go from there if you got insurance. But running up on me with your pistols out and taking my car, but y'all got me bent, you feel me? Hey, so let me know what y'all think about the video. Did the guy who owned the Hellcat overreact? Or would y'all react the same way? You know what I'm saying? Comment, you know what I'm saying, what y'all think, you know what I'm saying? And since y'all here, you know what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all platforms, you feel me? Hey, 2 turned out.